to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah.
I'm Tyler.
And I'm Elena.
Elena is my assistant and Tyler is my husband. Obviously, you probably knew that. But today, in today's contest, we are going to be doing something a little different. I will not be the one contesting. They will be. And I'm going to test both of them to see how well they know me.
Ooh, so this is like a husband versus assistant type deal, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that.
It'd be pretty
Who
embarrassing
knows you
if
better?
you lose.
Yeah, you better not lose, honey. I mean, you better not
I've
lose.
known her for a year, so if
she
Tyler
wins,
loses, then
that's not good.
Yeah, I think I have a good shot at winning this. You know, I think in the other contest when I was competing against you, I was a little outmatched.
What are you trying to say about Elena?
Excuse me.
I'm just saying I think I have the natural advantage here.
Okay, so here's the ground rules. So I'm gonna be asking a variety of questions, and they will have a buzzer that has an
Ooh.
interesting sound. Whoever hits the buzzer first gets to answer the question. If they get it wrong, it goes to the next person.
Got it.
And I'll be keeping score, so good luck. The first round is gonna be a bunch of questions about me. I call it the basic round. The second round is gonna be a bunch of details that are a little bit harder. And the third round is gonna be an either or round where you have to say which one I would prefer. The prize is
What's on the line?
Scout.
What?
You better win.
out for a weekend?
Oh my gosh.
All right, should we get started?
Let's get
Started.
But first,
Oh.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah.
and hit that bell notification so you always get a notification.
And thumbs up this video.
Just popping in to remind everyone about the amazing giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through, and you know what to do.
Good luck.
Question number 1. Do not forget you need to hit your bell in order to answer. Where was I born?
San Diego, California.
Good job, babe. Number 2.
Oh, just like that.
What are my parents' names?
Actually,
Your nostrils flared.
I don't know your dad's name. Dang it. It's totally Rebecca Robeson. Phil.
Ooh. What's up, Jim? Rebecca? Good to see you out there.
All right, my favorite food.
Mac and cheese?
No.
Cereal?
What is my favorite food that I could eat an entire thing of?
Oh, I know. Can I get a redo?
Sure.
Watermelon.
Good job! What sports did I play growing up?
Swimming. I don't know. Just swimming.
Tyler, would you like to take
Well,
a whack at it?
cheerleading. You played cheerleading.
So both of you lost, because you didn't get half and you didn't get half.
It's a no.
What is my biggest fear?
Spiders.
Yes. What are my niece and nephew's names?
Mora. I don't know. I can't think. I know exactly what they look like, and they're all really cute. And there's like 3 little boys, and then the tiny little girl.
You better get this right.
Yeah, this is
Because
bad
the kids
idea.
are probably watching this video, so.
Hi, Smith. Hi, Thatcher. Hi, Ford. Hi, Maura. And my brother's kids, Elena and Luke.
Next question is, how many kids do I want? 4. What size is my shoes?
Well, you tell people that it's 9, I think. But it's really like 9.5, 10.
Yes.
I love your big feet. I love her big feet.
Who colors my hair?
Emily.
When is my birthday?
December 17th.
What is my anniversary?
With him?
Mm-hmm.
That, well, your wedding one? Okay, I believe November 17th?
No.
Dang.
Tyler?
The 19th.
Dang
November
it.
19th.
That was so
What year?
close.
2016.
Good job, babe. All right, details.
Ooh.
What is my favorite gas station? You know
Chevron.
this. Good job.
Because their bathrooms were always so nice.
What do I always do when I'm looking for a parking spot?
Jesus, take the wheel.
What is my current favorite song?
I mean, is it Shallow from A Star Is Born?
Oh, you got it! What is my favorite at-home coffee drink?
An espresso. You make an espresso, and then she picks one of the 17 creamers that she has.
What are my favorite jeans?
The black ones with the holes.
Good job.
From Madewell.
True. That's true.
You both win that one. I'll give it to you.
No,
both.
that's not fair.
Okay,
He
you're
has
right.
so many. Come on.
Okay, you're right. What do I keep stashed in my car under my seat?
Water bottle.
Where do I usually hide my hair tie?
In your bra.
What is my favorite home appliance?
Your kitchen appliance or home
No,
appliance?
home
Oh, Dyson, duh.
Yeah, the vacuum.
Oh, she loves to vacuum.
What do I keep stashed in my car in the center console?
Everything.
Specifically one thing I'm looking for here. Oh, I'm gonna give it to Elena.
Face wipes.
Good job! What is the brand name of my fake nails?
Impress.
Good job!
You wear fake nails?
What is my favorite cookbook?
Against all grain.
Who is my Instagram girlfriend?
Jillian Harris.
Do I sometimes fall asleep with my makeup on?
No, because if you're falling asleep on the couch, you just reach on under there and grab your handy dandy
Makeup wipes.
makeup wipes.
What do I do on Wednesday nights?
You volunteer at Rush for church, high school ministry.
Good job! What grade are my high school girls?
10.
Yes. All right, that completes round 2.
Ooh!
You won. So this is gonna be the tie right here, the this or that, round 3. So I'm gonna just say 2 options and you have to hit the button and say which one it is.
Okay.
Which one
Be quick.
you would choose?
Yeah, which one describes me most?
Okay.
Heavy sleeper, light sleeper.
This is so the same.
Do it again. Elena.
Aww.
Heavy.
Good job. Sweet or chocolate?
Sweet. Sour. Is that what you meant?
Good job. Sunny or rainy?
Sunny.
Rainy.
Ew.
Pedicure or manicure? Honey, you need to try a little harder.
Pedicure.
You're gonna watch this back and go, wow, I'm not being athletic right now. I'm slowly reaching for the button.
Well, I was
Pedicure,
thinking.
pedicure, and
Good job.
impress manicure.
Good job. Cook or take out?
Cook.
Good job. Wash or dry the dishes?
Dry.
Good job. Sushi or lemonade?
Sushi.
Oh my god. That's so good. True. On time or late?
Late.
Good job. Okay, today's giveaway is a pretty fun one. And all I'm gonna say is Erin Condren. Click the link below, check out how to enter, and do your thing. Good luck. Okay, you guys, after much deliberation, counting up all of the points, Tyler is the winner. And Elena, you came really close second. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video was so fun to make, for me at least. I mean, I just wish I had more questions, and so does Scout, my one true love.
Comment below if you think I really won.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll be watching you guys.
Seriously, tomorrow there will be another video, and it will be a challenge of some sort, and it will be funny.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe,
And hit that thumbs up button.
and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.